weekend journey from Kolkata to the enigmatic Kurumbera Fort unfolds as both a travel experience and a deep dive into layered history. Located in the quiet village of Gagneshwar in Paschim Medinipur district of West Bengal, this lesser-known monument, protected by the Archaeological Survey of India, offers a rare blend of architecture, legend, and historical ambiguity. Situated around 170 kilometers from Kolkata and approximately 27 kilometers from Kharagpur, Kurumbera Fort is accessible via the state highway towards Keshiari. From there, a turn near Kukai village leads to a short stretch of rural, Kucha, road, guiding visitors into Gagneshwar. This final approach, through open fields and village landscapes, sets the tone for an offbeat heritage exploration far removed from crowded tourist circuits. At first glance, Kurumbera appears to be a fort, an enclosed rectangular structure built of massive laterite stone blocks. The very name, Kurumbera, is believed to derive from local words meaning stone, *kurum*, and fence, *bera*, aptly describing the imposing enclosure. Unlike the terracotta-dominated temple architecture of Gangetic Bengal, this structure reflects the geology of the Chota Nagpur Plateau region, where laterite stone is abundant and widely used. Historically, the region was once part of the ancient kingdom of Kalinga, later evolving into an independent polity with the port city of Tamralipti, modern Tamluk, as a major center. By the 15th century, the area fell under the rule of the powerful Gajpati dynasty of Odisha. It is widely believed that Kurumbera was constructed during this period, possibly under the reign of Kapilendra Deva, 1438 to 1469, although definitive evidence remains elusive. The region's history, however, is marked by continuous conflict and shifting control. The Bengal Sultanate under Alauddin Hussain Shah attempted multiple invasions into Odisha between 1500 and 1509, led by his general Shah Ismail Ghazi. Though these campaigns did not permanently succeed, they brought the region into frequent military contention. Later, Afghan ruler Suleiman Karrani extended control over parts of Odisha, followed by Mughal dominance after the defeat of Daud Khan in 1576. These successive regimes left their imprint on the region's architecture and culture. Within this complex historical context, Kurumbera stands as a structure of uncertain identity. Is it truly a fort? A temple? Or a mosque? The layout raises more questions than answers. The monument is enclosed within a high laterite wall measuring roughly 312 by 252 feet. The walls, though solid, lack typical defensive features associated with forts. There are no bastions, watchtowers, arrow slits, or moats. A single narrow gate on the northern side serves as the only entrance. These characteristics challenge the idea of Kurumbera as a military fortification. Inside the enclosure lies a vast open courtyard, surrounded by a continuous row of pillared corridors resembling cloisters or caravanserais. Each arch, about 10 feet high, is constructed in a corbelled style, an architectural technique more commonly associated with pre-Islamic structures. The keystones of the arches often feature lotus motifs, a strong indicator of Hindu architectural influence. At the center of the courtyard stands a raised platform supporting a small structure with 3 domes. This structure is widely identified as a mosque, likely constructed during the period of Islamic rule. The mosque is relatively simple in design, measuring approximately 23 by 14 feet, with 3 bays capped by domes built of rubble masonry. Interestingly, the domes rest on corbelled bases, reflecting a blend of construction techniques. The mosque includes a plain mihrab, a niche indicating the direction of Mecca, but lacks elaborate ornamentation typically seen in Islamic religious architecture. There are no inscriptions within the mosque itself that clearly date its construction or identify its patrons. Early British antiquarian W. Herschel, who documented the site in 1867 for the Asiatic Society of Bengal, described Kurumbera as a Hindu temple converted into a mosque. According to archaeological reports from the early 20th century, the original structure likely included a temple dedicated to a deity named Gagneswara, possibly a form of Lord Shiva. The sanctum may have been located where a well now exists, while the plinth of the temple's assembly hall or Jagmohan appears to have been reused as the foundation for the later mosque. An Aurya inscription on a stone tablet within the complex refers to the construction of an enclosure dedicated to Sri Gagneswara during the reign of a ruler named Pratpakalpiswara Deva. While the name does not directly match known Gajpati rulers, it bears similarity to Pratapruddra Deva, suggesting a possible link to the late Gajpati period. Local legends add yet another layer to Kurumbera's story. Villagers speak of a time when the area was covered in dense forests and the Suvarnarekha river flowed nearby. A popular tale recounts how a cow mysteriously poured milk over a hidden Shiva Linga Inda, leading a local chieftain to inform an Aurya king who then built a temple at the site. Such narratives, though common across many temple traditions in Bengal, reflect the deep cultural memory associated with the place. Despite its uncertain origins, Kurumbera remains remarkably well preserved. The laterite walls, pillared corridors, and central dome structure have withstood centuries of weathering. Unlike many historical sites in Bengal built of brick, which have eroded over time, the stone construction of Kurumbera has ensured its survival. Today, the monument stands as a protected site under the Archaeological Survey of India and attracts a steady stream of local visitors, especially during weekends and winter months. Its quiet surroundings, architectural uniqueness, and historical mystery make it an ideal destination for photographers, history enthusiasts, and offbeat travelers. A weekend visit to Kurumbera is not just about seeing an ancient structure, it is about experiencing a place where multiple histories converge. Whether viewed as a temple complex, a mosque, or a misunderstood fort, Kurumbera challenges conventional labels and invites deeper exploration. For visitors from Kolkata and beyond, this hidden heritage site offers a rare opportunity to step into a layered past shaped by kingdoms, conquests, faith, and folklore. In its silent corridors and enduring walls, Kurumbera continues to tell a story that remains as intriguing as it is unresolved.